Shrimp and grits might just be the most satisfying meal you'll ever make at home. It's rich, comforting, and comes together surprisingly quickly. But let's face it, the wrong recipe can lead to soggy shrimp and bland grits, and nobody wants that. Let's start with the base. Grits. These are the soul of the dish, but they're also where most people mess up. Instant grits? No, just no. Always go for stone-ground grits. They take longer to cook, but the texture and flavor are worth every extra minute. When cooking your grits, use a 4-to-1 liquid to grits ratio. I like to split the liquid between chicken stock and milk to add flavor and creaminess. Bring it to a simmer, then whisk in your grits slowly to avoid clumps. Think of this as the yoga portion of cooking. Here's the first pro tip: season the grits from the start. This isn't oatmeal. You can't fix bland grits by sprinkling salt at the end. Add salt, a touch of garlic powder, and even a pinch of cayenne early. Boom! Flavor from the ground up. Slow cooking is the only way to unlock grits' full potential. Stir them often to avoid sticking and cook on low heat for 20 to 25 minutes. When they're tender, stir in some freshly grated sharp cheddar and 2 tablespoons of butter. Now you've got silky, dream-worthy grits. Let's talk shrimp. You want large shrimp, preferably 16-20 count, peeled and deveined. Old Bay seasoning or Cajun spice mix is the key to getting that bold southern kick. Coat your shrimp generously and let them marinate for 10 minutes while you prep. Cooking the shrimp is fast but crucial. Heat a cast iron pan to medium-high, don't go any lower. Add a little oil and sear those shrimp 2 minutes per side until they're pink and slightly caramelized. Overcook them, and you've got shrimp-flavored rubber. Now about the sauce. The pan you cooked the shrimp in, don't you dare wash it. That's liquid gold. Deglaze it with about a half cup of chicken stock and a splash of white wine. Then whisk in 1/4 cup of heavy cream. This elevates the entire dish. Sauté some finely chopped andouille sausage with onions, garlic, and a small handful of diced tomatoes. Then toss it all into that sauce. This creates a rich, smoky backdrop that wraps around the shrimp like a velvet glove. It's pure magic. Assembling the dish might be the easiest part. Ladle the creamy grits into a bowl, spoon your sauce over the top, and then nestle your shrimp on there like you're painting a masterpiece. Garnish with chopped parsley if you're feeling extra fancy. And here's the final pro tip: squeeze a lemon wedge over the top. Trust me, that bright citrus note cuts through the richness of the dish like a symphony finding its perfect final chord. People always forget this step. There you have it, shrimp and grits done right. It's iconic for a reason. The creamy grits, the bold shrimp, the smoky sauce. It's everything you want in comfort food. Make it once and you'll be hooked. You'll wonder why you ever settled for takeout before this masterpiece.